नमस्कार नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है राजीव कुमार बजाज यानी आरकेबी और मैं हूँ इस वक्त एडवोकेट प्रदीप नाम्बियर जी के साथ एंड दिस इज अ स्पेशल शो फ्रॉम नेशन नाउ's आरकेबी शो with Pradeep Nambiar ji on the BMC elections. As you know, the BMC elections are on January the 15th, results on the 16th, 29 corporations all over Maharashtra going in for polls. Irrespective of whichever party you support, please come out and vote because that's your right. So rightfully speaking, in Mumbai, I've been telling everybody, Pradeep ji, that there should be at least 80% voting. 80% होनी चाहिए voting up because this concerns you directly.
Yes.
This is your chance to show
Absolutely.
that you really care about your city. ये
Yes,
शहर
yes,
आपका है. फिलहाल पूरे नेशन नाउ की तरफ से आप सब लोगों को जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, वंदे मातरम.
वंदे मातरम.
भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद.
जय हिंद.
और अगर आपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो भैया कर लो बिकॉज वेरी शॉर्टली दिस विल बिकम ए पेड चैनल. फिर उसके बाद बोलने का नहीं है.
When you click to the link, subscribe. You subscribe to the fastest growing channel of the nation, Nation Now.
My name is Rajiv K. Bajaj. With me is Advocate Pradeep Nambiar, and all of you are watching us on this special show on Nation Now. And at the moment with us from BJP candidate from Ward number 60, who is so far ahead, people are saying she's already won, is Sayali Kulkarni. Can we go across to her? Sayali ji, namaskar.
Namaste, sir. How are you?
Absolutely fine. A great pleasure having you on the show. Thank you so much, man. Zabardast.
Pleasure is all mine, and I'm quite privileged, and I'm just grateful. And the battle is not already won. Like you said, that it's very imperative that on 15th January, people from towers, high-rise, all the buildings get down to vote because when they come down to vote, they vote for development.
That's right. They vote for development, which means they vote for the BJP. That's it. That's what happens usually. That's what we have seen. तो मैम आप ये बताएं, my name is Rajiv Bajaj, with me is Advocate Pradeep Nambiar ji. We do this show together. मैम आप ये बताएं कि what are your priorities? आप मान लीजिए आप जीत गए, आपकी सबसे पहली प्रायोरिटी क्या होगी? नंबर वन ऑफ कोर्स इज टू इलेक्ट योर ओन मेयर. आपके जो भी मेयर होंगे सबसे पहले उनकी इलेक्शन. उसके बाद क्या? अपने इलाके में, अपने वार्ड में, वार्ड नंबर 60 में क्या समस्याएं हैं जिनका समाधान फौरन चाहिए? दैट इज यू नीड द सॉल्यूशन एज ऑफ यस्टरडे. बताएं मैम प्लीज.
यस सर. सो बेसिकली हमारा एक विजन है, संकल्पना है प्रभाग क्रमांक 60 के लिए, दैट इज अपग्रेडेड लाइफस्टाइल. एंड इन ब्रीफ व्हाट डज अपग्रेडेड लाइफस्टाइल मीन? बहुत बेसिक चीज़ें हैं. अच्छे रास्ते, पॉटहोल फ्री रोड्स, इलीगल हॉकर्स फ्री जोन, एंड मैं उससे ज़्यादा आगे जाके कहूँगी इलीगल हॉकर्स के साथ साथ इलीगल हॉकर्स विद फेक आधार कार्ड्स, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम देम, एनक्रोचमेंट फ्री फुटपाथ्स, एंड जो आपकी जो कांस्टेंट डिगिंग होती है 5 चीज़ों के लिए, योर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, महानगर गैस, बीएमसी, वाईफाई एंड केबल, उस सब को सिंक्रोनाइज करना थ्रू यूटिलिटी कॉरिडोर पॉलिसी. एंड इन अ ब्रॉडर पिक्चर, एसटीपी प्लांटेशंस जो देवेंद्र फडणवीस सर ने खुद अनाउंस किए हैं. इफ पीपल डोंट नो, हमारा जो सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट था, आर वाटर दैट गेट्स लेट इनटू द मरीन लाइफ, वो अभी भी ब्रिटिश काल का था. एंड इट्स हाई टाइम दैट द चेंज नीड्स टू कम इन सो दैट द सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट दैट हैपेंस फ्रॉम मुंबई गोज इनटू द सी क्लीन एंड प्योर, और वो जो स्टेंच आती है वर्सोवा, जुहू, बांद्रा बीच पे, वो कम हो जाए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रायोरिटी वुड बी पब्लिक हेल्थ.
So tell me, sorry Pradeep ji, I know you wanted to ask something.
Yes.
So tell me, in terms of the extent of your area, it says over here the landmarks are Bhavans College campus, SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, and one of your bordering areas is Gilbert Hill. Is that correct? Is that the extent of your area, or am I wrong?
No sir.
Right.
I will tell you where exactly my ward extends from.
Please.
We have Yamuna Nagar, Millat Nagar. It starts from there. The entire back road, the entire Lokhandwala market, the 4 lanes of Shastri Nagar, Sundarvan, RTO Suresh Nagar, पीछे का एक छोटा स्लम है कॉल्ड कासाम नगर, फिर अन्ना नगर आता है जो अभी रीडेवलपमेंट के लिए गया है, अडानी हैज टेकन ओवर, and it expands till Parthenon.
So which means ma'am, the description given on Google and even Google AI is incorrect, which means we must correct it. So I'll put out the correction immediately. Let's hope Google does something about it.
Sayalaji, I want to ask you, what are the status of the dispensaries, BMC hospitals? How is the situation? How is the status of there? Are the people, the poor, जो गरीब से गरीब लोग हैं, are they getting justice going there? Is the medicines available? Is the treatment available?
Sir, thank you so much for the question. For me, 95% ward for me is building ward. हमारा एक छोटा कासाम नगर का स्लम आता है. With all your blessings, the private hospitals have been kind in this ward. Even Cooper बोले या फिर जो JVLR पे अपना एक government hospital आता है, they've been cooperative. And most of the cases I send directly to Cooper. वहाँ पे हमारे MLA sir है अमित साटम जी. We get full cooperation from them. And our private hospitals, even the small dispensaries, locally जो है, they've also been quite helpful. And other than that, we have building people here, so you would be well aware the upper middle class and the middle class can very well afford health treatment.
Yes, they can.
The
And-
STPs you are talking about, you know, the flow of waste into the seas.
Absolutely.
Modi ji STPs के बहुत program लेके आए थे where Mumbai is concerned. How are you going to treat this waste going from Lokhandwala? I think because you got a river there also connecting to the sea. We had done a program from there.
yes.
Absolutely, it's the Mogra Nala project
Yes.
that is also there in our DP plan, sir. And the pumping project will also ensure less floods not only in my Prabha but the entire Andheri West as a community. And when I say about the SCP plantations, we need to sit on the DP plans. Fadnavis sir has just announced it, and he has given provision for multiple STP plantations. I think post elections, the first priority for Prabha Kramank Sat and my team is going to be sitting on the DP plan and getting this activated ASAP. Not
Yes.
only me, but my neighboring wards and my neighboring colleagues who would get fortunately elected to BMC.
Sayali ji, let me tell you this. Pradeep ji and I and our team has been working on this for a long time, especially the Mogra Nala. And we tried to convince just about everybody over there, including, you know, all the shopping complexes, all the people who are flat owners and everybody else. I said, hey, listen, this is the Mogra Nala, right? Now, if the Mogra
Absolutely.
Nala actually gets cleaned, you have, you know, ducks over there, and you have lotuses over there, and you have boating over there, and you have other river-based, you know, sports and stuff like that. Can you imagine what will be the increase in the price of the real estate over there? I said, you guys are going to gain. Now, my point is, we've tried and tried and tried, and we've not given up. But I didn't see too much of enthusiasm from people. So, how are you going to make people realize that, hey guys, we need your help here? You just can't put your rubbish and your garbage into the Mogra Nala. You can't do it. So, how do you know, expect to do that? Sayali ji, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, there's a larger issue here. It's not only the people.
Yes.
The dumping ground, if you see at the back road, is ever increasing.
Yes, it is.
पहले सिर्फ हमारे वार्ड का गार्बेज वहाँ पे डंप किया होता था.
जी.
अब आजू बाजू के वार्ड का भी आने लगा है वहाँ पे. And the portable dumping ground is ever increasing. And it is very much there in my manifesto that we are going to take control of that situation. My neighboring ward, that is 68 and 60, jointly are going to work on this. And like you said, I'm so glad you brought this up. Abhi, 2 weeks before we had gone to that lake and we had taken people from the BMC, we kind of had a vision that it's an natural reserve lake. हमारे नसीब में है जो लोनावला लोग जाते हैं पावनार लेक देखने को, डैम देखने को. हमारे लोखंडवाला के पीछे वो लेक वेरी मच नेचुरल रिजर्व के रूप में आई है. सो वी नीड टू प्रिजर्व इट, वी नीड टू मेंटेन इट. एंड वो जो एक्सपेंशन ऑफ पोर्टेबल ग्राउंड हो रहा है, डंपिंग ग्राउंड, जो मैनग्रोव्स को भी अफेक्ट कर रहा है, उस स्ट्रीम को भी अफेक्ट कर रहा है, वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट.
And that's a beautiful lake. That is such a beautiful lake.
Yes.
Right there, because Pradeep ji and I have done a program there.
Absolutely.
It is so beautiful. My point is, it can be one of the biggest tourist attractions as far as your ward is concerned. So I am surprised. Why don't people up till now? Why haven't they taken more interest? Why haven't they taken more interest in that lake? I see a lot of, you know, we saw a lot of garlands and other things. लोग पूजा वूजा करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं. And by the way, yes, we also, so which means the water of the lake is not that polluted. Shall I tell you why? Because the last time we were there, it was some time back, we actually saw fish in that lake. There's fish in that lake. So that means things are not as bad as they look. Sayali ji.
Absolutely not, sir. And in fact, our former MLA Bhartitai Lavekar had taken up steps to beautify the lake. Unfortunately, only because of 600 votes she lost, but that was
Yes.
her priority. So we are going to take guidance from her. In fact, the other day when I visited the lake, वहाँ पे एक boat ऐसी पड़ी हुई थी. So I'm also aware that, maybe 1-2 years before people were boating there. More than
Yes.
anything, I don't want to say much live, but I'm aware that there are these 2-3 entities जिनको help करने के लिए ये illegal dumping ground बढ़ता जा रहा है, mangroves का intrusion हो रहा है, but be rest assured that we are going to take care of it. If at a local level we face resistance from bureaucracy or the local politics, be rest assured that we are going to get the forest ministry involved, we're going to get the CMO involved
But
to
Shailji,
intervene in
this
the
dumping
situation.
ground is shocking. This dumping ground at Lokhandwala, because we know we have been fighting the cause of this dumping grounds to evict them or have a recyclable, recycling kind of things in Deonar, in Kanjurmarg, Mulund. Now we are shocked about this dumping ground here, and this is right. It's a 90% building area, and you got that dumping ground there. Is the smell emanating from there? किस प्रकार से है?
So not only the smell, but even the diseases that follow. Like a lot of citizens have complained. Like I said कि पहले सिर्फ हमारे वार्ड का गार्बेज वहाँ पे डिस्पोज हुआ करता था. अब तो नॉट ओनली के वेस्ट वार्ड बट आजू बाजू के वार्ड्स का भी आके उधर डिस्पोज कर रहे हैं. जो जिसकी साइज कम होनी चाहिए वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. जो पोर्टेबल डंपिंग ग्राउंड होना चाहिए था वो आज परमानेंट, आज के तारीख में परमानेंट बन गया है. We will have to get the authorities
That's what always
involved, and we
happens.
will have to take a strict
Yes.
step and stand. Not only Ward 60, but the neighboring wards. They will have to accompany us to take a strict stand.
But ma'am, you're really very lucky because the Lokhandwala Lake, and this is for our viewers. I think we've lost. I think she's possibly getting a call. Pradeep ji, if you notice, if you remember.
No. I'm very much
but I can't see you. Oh yeah, I can see you now.
Yeah.
You can actually see black ibises there. You can see black kites. You can see various varieties of seagulls. But seagulls anyway, they see any food anyway, they'll always turn up. It's really and truly lovely. Now, what I've heard was, this is what we've heard. We've not confirmed it yet. All these guys are trying to use that as a dumping ground. They are trying to take over the lake. There's a big mafia working there. You got your work cut out for you. You have our support completely. We are all with you. So you really will have to work very, very hard. Sally ji, बताएं, please.
Yes, sir, exactly. That's the reason I said that I can't talk about it much on a live interview, and that's why I subtly gave you that hint that even
Yes.
if I get the CMO involved and the forest ministry
Yes.
involved, we're very much going to do that.
And this lake, by the way, Pradeep ji, just for the information of viewers, is not a natural lake. This came to being in the 1960s because of road construction. This lake's there was a depression there,
But
but
it's
it's been
beautiful.
around for a long time.
It's beautiful.
And it is, ooh,
It's
gorgeous.
really good. I think we
I am
should-
in love with that lake. Absolutely lovely. Ji,
I
Pradeep ji.
want you said 90% buildings, 10% slums. Now slum के बच्चों का क्या हाल है? How is there any public school for them? Is there any municipal school for them? If it is, what is the status of the schools? Is it the high-tech school that Aditya Thackeray ji promised or Uddhav ji promised? How is it? What is the status of the school?
So
If it-
there is nearby BMC schools which they go to. Of course, they're not high tech, but moreover, there are Balwadis which are very much operational in Kasam Nagar. Kasam Nagar is the slum that we are referring to. Other than that, most of them go to Gyan Kendra, which is in ward number 68, and then there is Kamala Devi High School. So these are the 2-3 options available. BMC schools are there, like St. Joseph and all. Again, they're not high tech. Unfortunately, none of them, only Kamala Devi comes in my ward. The others are in different wards. The distance is quite manageable. But besides that, the population I've met there, the residents, the citizens I've met there are well educated. But yes, thanks for giving me this point. The high-tech school, BMC schools promised are very much not existing. But that's something we should work on.
Sally ji, could you tell us a bit about yourself? Where are you from? I mean, where did you study? Which college did you go to and stuff like that? If you can, if you feel
Absolutely.
like. Please.
Absolutely. I've been born and brought up in this ward to begin with. So first time this ward has got a candidate
Wow,
जो
lovely,
यहाँ पे
beautiful.
पैदा हुई है, जो यहाँ पे खेल के बड़ी हुई है. More than anything, I've been to Utpal Sangvi School. I've done my college from NM and UPG. I have my own media and technology setup. अंधेरी ईस्ट में मेरा ऑफिस है. आप सबके ब्लेसिंग से वी आर an INS accredited agency,
Wow.
Venture Integrated Communications, and we were the ones who did drone shows for Modi ji in 2024 Lok Sabha elections at Varanasi.
Fantastic, absolutely
AQL
fantastic.
levels. Now, this is a big problem where Mumbai is concerned. We are having a pollution problem, respiratory problems, throat problems. Now, I think Lokhandwala, as you said, one, you got the garbage dump out there, plus the vehicles and all emanating. Do you have any plan where pollution is concerned?
So our major concern right now for pollution is the redevelopment. The entire Lokhandwala is going to look different. Majority of the buildings are going in redevelopment. First plan is monitoring whether the builders are adhering to the AQI rule. And I have some lovely citizens with me who are quite alert. There was a building demolished right opposite Kokilaben Hospital. They did not adhere by law to the AQI rules and regulations. Supreme Court, the citizens approached us, and the Supreme Court has put a stay on that building. Other than that, our DMC, who's associated with the BMC, they've told us that they're going to form a 5-member team per area who are going to regularize and monitor the pollution that's going to get created out of this redevelopment. The unusual dumping or the, builders not adhering to the rule are going to be monitored by this 5-member team. Post the code of conduct, I think we had a meeting with Bhagyashri Madam, who is our DMC, around some 2 weeks back with the citizens. The citizens were very much there with me, and that was a major concern. And she has assured us that this 5-member team would be taking care of the same AQI that we are talking about today. And since you're talking about pollution, I would also like to say that Prabha Kramang 60 needs to maintain the mangroves, because
Yes.
mangroves are the green cover our ward has.
That's right, absolutely. And you are also under K West, right? This is also
We are
K
under K
West.
West.
K West.
Yes.
That means my dear friend Chakrabani. Chakrabani
Yes,
Are.
absolutely, absolutely.
What a great man. Very. He is one of the most proactive guys I've ever met. So he does everything very quietly without any, this thing, but gets it done. I still remember because I live at Juhu, because there was a lot of drain, that sewage stuff which was being dumped on Juhu Beach. I mean, Chakrabani ji did not take even one day before they were actually able to solve the entire problem, which was fantastic. Really and truly fantastic.
Absolutely.
So in that
Absolutely.
sense, we are very lucky that you are in K West. So to
Open
speak.
spaces, how is it in your ward? Are the people, because बहुत सारे जगह हमने देखा कि open spaces are being encroached. There is hardly any space where garden recreation is concerned, walking space is concerned. How is the situation where your Kshetra, Lokhandwala is concerned?
Yes, sir. We do have open spaces, but we have 2-3 gardens which are there in Lokhandwala, which again are well maintained by the committee. But unfortunately, the Suresh Nagar part of it needs more open spaces, especially the playgrounds for the kids. Because I remember, बचपन में मैं actually बाहर खेल कूद के बड़ी हुई हूँ, and right now the kids don't have that space. So that is very much, we've spoken about this with the Suresh Nagar citizens, that one priority would be having a playground as soon as we take charge, or we come to serve serve people at Prabha Kramang 16. So that's a very valid point that you've picked up.
So in terms of your opponents, they also are mounting a big campaign over here, I believe. So how confident are you? Your people are working very hard. We know that for a fact, and Mr. Amit Satam is totally behind you. So do tell us, where do you stand right now?
Absolutely, sir. Sir, the ground seems very confident. My Karyakartas, my Sangathan seems very confident, and Sangathan is the one who makes me, who breaks me. But at the same time, we also understand that we don't have to be overconfident. We need the people to get down and vote. If 95% building area people get down to vote, that's when the vote for development happens. That's when BJP sails across. So
Yes.
that is our aim. That is our vision for the next 2 days. We're not thinking about we are ahead, we are behind, this, that. Our only aim is to get the people down to vote. That's
Well, I
it.
can say one thing as far as the BJP is concerned, and this from personal experience, the BJP has been to most societies in and around this area, your area, every other area, including all of the rest of the Mumbai, in about 3 or 4 times. I haven't seen anybody from any other party coming up till now. They haven't. And the elections are, well, just 3 days away. So I think in terms of hard work nobody can fault you. मतलब मेहनत के ऊपर तो आपके ऊपर कोई उंगली उठा नहीं सकता कि साहब मेहनत तो आप लोगों ने बहुत करी है, इस बार ये मानना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए जो आपके वार्ड से जो हम लोगों को रिपोर्ट आ रही है वो यही आ रही है कि आप जीत चुके हैं. तो इसके लिए इसके पहले के जीत की अनाउंसमेंट हो जाए उसके पहले ही आप बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. कंग्रेचुलेशन.
You know, I
Thank
want to, I want to ask you where corruption is concerned. Amit Satam ji has raised the biggest. उन्होंने कहा कि corruption in BMC is much bigger than the central scams like 2G, 5G or whatever. How? No, you need to deal corruption even at the lowest level, the ward level is concerned. Gutter है, नाले है, अलग-अलग grounds है. You have any plan to see that you have zero corruption there?
सर बीएमसी का मेन इलेक्शन गटर मीटर वाटर पे होता है एंड इफ आई एम श्योर यू ऑल वुड बी अवेयर 80,000 करोड़ का डिपॉजिट था बीएमसी का आज एंड द एंटायर क्वेश्चन 2 साल से व्हेन बीजेपी हैज कम इन द स्टेट द एंटायर क्वेश्चन वाज कि वो 80,000 करोड़ में से एक्सपेंडिचर क्यों नहीं हुआ है मुंबई के ब्यूटिफिकेशन के लिए, मुंबई के मेंटेनेंस के लिए. एंड देवेंद्र फडणवीस सर हिमसेल्फ हैज गॉटन इनटू दिस एंड टुडे एज वी स्टैंड we have spent I think near about 15 to 20,000 crore just on maintenance and that's why you see the coastal road coming up, that's why you see the metro coming up. and मुझे ये बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि बीच में जो 2 साल हमारी सरकार नहीं थी तो कोस्टल रोड हो, मेट्रो हो, सब प्रोजेक्ट्स बंद पड़ दिए गए थे. एंड मेरी वार्ड की अगर आप बात करो, ये जो कंटिन्यूस सर्कुलेशन रहता है ना कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स का, जो बार बार सेम टाइम सेम कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स सेम ईयर पे रिपीट होते हैं, that nexus we want to break. आशीष जी शेलार सर से भी बात हो चुकी है and this repetition of contractor, the nexus that BMC has built right now कि ये काम इसी को जाएगा, वो काम उसी को जाएगा, that nexus needs to be broken and we are going to do it.
And I hope that all the blacklisted contractors will not be allowed entry through the back door as they were earlier. Really and truly, I mean we've seen it. एक तरफ blacklisted है, MMRDA का काम उसको मिल रहा है और MMRDA के काम में वो किसी और कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को घुसा रहा है. BMC के कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में छोटा सा सब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट उसको दे दिया. सो it is like the entire mafia is very happy. तुम्हारा ये अरे कोई रेवड़ी बंट रही है क्या, मिठाई थोड़ी बंट रही है, ये लोगों का पैसा है. सो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप जो हैं बहुत इस पर निगरानी रखेंगी, अच्छी तरह काम करेंगी. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू यू. सयाली कुलकर्णी जी, really lovely to talk to you and we hope to see you in the BMC from ward number 60 on January 16th. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Har Har Mahadev. Namaskar. Well, that was nice. A very young person, very, very enthusiastic, and she's been born and brought up in ward number 60, so she knows it inside out, which is why she was so confident. But I'm very surprised about Google AI. They're talking about Gilbert Hill and this, that and all that. Ward number 60 में नहीं है भाई. वो तो Gilbert Hill तो उसकी है, हमारे मोहसिन हैदर साहब की पत्नी का है.
She knows the problem and
Yeah,
she
she
knows
knows.
the solutions also.
Well,
Even to the lowest level of handling corruption, she has an answer.
yes, she has
You need
an
to
answer.
have answers for all the problems.
That's
And
right,
I think
she does.
she's got it.
And she's got it. Well, that's it for our special show on the BMC. And tomorrow we hope to have a few more people. And very shortly, we will see what happens on January 15th. That's the voting. और उसके बाद जनवरी 16 को परिणाम. It'll be fantastic. Really and truly fantastic. Well, that's just about it from both Pradeep ji and myself. पूरी नेशन नाउ की टीम की तरफ से इस स्पेशल शो को देखने के लिए आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very, very much. And as far as we are concerned, we'll of course be back at our usual time of 7 p.m. with our game show. और लेकिन तब तक अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल को तो कर लो प्लीज.
When you click to the icon subscribe, you subscribe to the fastest growing channel of the nation, Nation Now.
Nation Now. That's it. That's all we've got for you in this special show. आप सब लोगों को नमस्कार. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, वंदे मातरम.
One thing,
भारत माता की जय. जय हिंद.
Jai Hind.